Ano nga na?
I'll get it.
Go. Say pabili po.
The worm is sleepy.
We need Superman. You need to buy Superman again. Go na in the store.
Superman, help! Our worm is so sleepy.
Okay, I will help you.
Abracadabra.
Alright.
Oh no, she's not working.
Yes, I don't have power. You need to buy the power in the store. Say pabili po.
Oh.
Go na in the store.
Okay, idea. We use a hot dog.
Okay, use the hot dog.
Here. Look, she's powering.
Okay, it's powering.
The worm is powering.
Ah.
Yeah, you're right, worm. My worm is better.
Okay, he's better now.
Daddy.
Yes.
Look, ew. Ew.
What you?
It's poo-poo.
Where?
Look,
It's not poo-poo.
there, look, there's poo-poo.
That's the back of the worm. It's making poo-poo.
Look, a yacht. A
Huh?
yacht. A yacht.
What?
Look, it's messy.
Yeah, it's messy. Yuck.
We need to clean.
Yeah, what should you do? You need to call Superman.
Superman. Here. Wipe.
You need to wipe. You need to buy Superman again in the store. Go na. Say pabili po.
Oh, she's got big. Let me check.
Okay, let me check.
Poo-poo. I'm too scared.
Don't be scared. It's just a poo-poo. You need to clean it.
Oh, damn. Oh, no. We need to wash.
Wash it.
We need a new diaper. We need to put on the buttons.
Go na, wash it.
She's... Mommy, it's my worm. The worm. Daddy, what's slow? We can swim.
Yeah. You need to buy again that new toy. Go na in the store. Say pabili po. Dali na.
I'm swimming.
You're swimming now.
I will look for the shark.